Hello, this is WWJDTD1, JCC10 Minecraft. Oops. Okay, bringing to you another Minecraft video. Yeah, oops. Okay, this video will be on how to set up Xpadder, and basically that's gonna be it. Okay, now Xpadder is a... First, what Xpadder is, no, not XP. I'm sorry, my computer. Okay, first off, what Xpadder is. Okay, Xpadder is just basically a utility that makes game controllers, whether it's your Xbox 360 controller, a joystick to keystrokes, and mouse controls. Okay, in order to download it, you must pay for that, which he's got these nice tools. The entire game, excuse me, not the entire game, the entire utility costs $9.99. I am now his advertisement. Yes. I'm not sure how legal it is for me to give away anything. If I can, I'm gonna look into this. If I can, I will. But I might. But specifically this is nice for machinima because you can configure how accurate it is. So right here we have Xpadder. Okay, you just go on to this. This will be locked. You have to log in, and you have to be someone who has it. And you're just gonna have to hit download. Okay, so that's how you download Xpadder. I've already got it downloaded. I'm going to make a new folder called Xpadder, and now I'm going to put Xpadder in here. I'm sorry, I've got another window here so that I can hold all of my extra information right here. Xpadder. Now the entire application is within this one file. Okay, I must learn you that beforehand. So run. So you get out of this. It's tested, but he gives no stuff. You have to select the language, the program location. We're gonna associate the files. It's just gonna load up everything. It's putting all of the files within this folder right here. I am so gonna change it, but I can basically uninstall it. Okay, so while that's going, I'm gonna explain how you set up a new path. Okay, now first you need to find your image for the item. My game controller is a Logitech. That's the name of it. It's a Logitech Extreme 360 Pro or something like that. So mine is going to be down here at Logitech. And then down here at Extreme. See, you've got all of these here. Now I'm going to quickly show you something. Extreme 360 Pro. Okay, this one is the main one. Okay, this one I just added. Okay, it's got two images. Okay, this one is not actually the same as this one. Okay, this one came from a different one with different colors. Okay, mine looks like this, but it's harder to put on everything than this. So the one where I found that one from is the Fluff 3D Pro. I think is the name of it. Yeah, the Fluff 3D Pro. With all of this. So what you do is you right click and you hit copy image. Oh, that's because I have no gamepad installed. So what you do is you just plug in your gamepad and it's installed, basically. Well, of course you have to have the driver. Sorry, just knocked my mic. Okay, so you just have to plug that in, you have to install the driver, blah 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 blah. This should only take a moment. So that's my update, working on it. I had this installed, but I got a new computer, so right here, click new to create a layout. You have to basically paste the image in. Then you have to decide everything. So the first stick is right here. Push stick left, push stick up. No. Push stick left, up. Okay. So right there is going to say left, down. You've got all of your movements. Okay, so that's going to be right there. You can actually see this right here as I move it. Okay, and then it's going to say all of that. Then you've got your D-pad here, which I press it up, down, left, right. And now the D-pad goes on here. Okay, then you've got buttons. I'm just going to press my buttons. That's obviously trigger. Then I'm going to press button 2, which is right there. 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here. 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then obviously pressing a few buttons here. I think that's right. No. That one's there, that one's there. Obviously you want to check it every now and then. This button right here does not work on my game controller. I got it at a thrift store, cheapo, so I can't complain. So now I've got all of my buttons set up. Except for my triggers. Okay. Now at the moment he only has one trigger enabled. I can't complain. This is a great software. But it would be nicer if he had multiple. So trigger left, trigger right. Okay. Now right there, there's my problem right there. Okay. Whenever you auto configure it, it automatically goes to the right. I don't like that. So I just leave it alone and I move it up to about 50% for my joystick controller. And then I hit settings. No. And then I hit properties, controller panel. This brings up the controller panel. And then I can actually calibrate it. So you will want to calibrate this. Okay. So you just want to do all of this stuff. Now if you notice, mine doesn't go all the way down most of the time, and it doesn't go all the way up some of the time. So that's just it messing around. So right there you've got that reconfigured, and now I can move it down to about 35%. Well, if I don't touch it, if I actually set it down someplace, it will go down to 30%. And of course I don't need dead zone there. You can configure everything like that right there. You can move mouse, and you can have that one WASD to move. That one's the joystick itself. That one's the thing right there. Then you can just configure that direction, that direction. Personally is how I like it. And you've got all of these other. I'll do this one for click, this one for right click, and then you can have this one for scroll up, that one for scroll down, that one for grab space, that one for sneak. Oh, not only that, but you can have it toggleable. That is the toggle. So you can have that toggled. So when you press it, on, off, on, off. Still don't have to keep on pressing it. And then for those expert miners, you can have break block, but not only that, you can have it toggleable and turbo. So like for Minecraft, that would be expert for griefers. So then I'll quickly go and pull up Minecraft. I think I have a copy of Minecraft running. No. Okay. Put it up on the screen. Doesn't really matter. It is. As you can see, my password is wrong. You can't guess it. You cannot guess it. Even if you know my other passwords, you can't guess it. So right here, I'll quickly go into a. No, I'm just gonna create new build. I don't care. Now, if you have a Rumble on your device, you can have a Rumble feedback. If not, no. And actually, on Minecraft, that should not be a toggle. Excuse me, that should not be a toggle. It should just be a toggle. So basically, let's just go here. Ay, ay, ay. So I'm gonna have to adjust my screen. And get headphones. Okay. The sound of Minecraft running. Okay, so just coming over here. And looking down. Pressing the button. I'm not even touching the look. I would say look, but you can't see. I'm not even touching the mouse button. I can touch the mouse button. Listen. Okay, if I touch the mouse button, but if I so that's just Xpadder. And then you can also have different profiles. So you can like have profile one, and then within those profiles you can have different profiles. But not only that, but you can have more than one joystick. If you can fit more than one joystick on the computer. So like if you have a multiplayer game, you can have giant multiplayer battles. And it all goes into this one little start menu. So thank you for paying attention to my little thing. I will see you later. But first let me figure out how I'm able to close it out. Okay, close that button. Wait, what does this say? Nope. Okay, whatever. Don't save. Don't save. Okay, so thank you for watching and I'll see you later. This is JCC10, we are WWJUTD, signing out.